What's happening, y'all? It's Josh Drive the Coast. Just got this gorgeous 1973 Bronco in stock. Early Bronco, ready to rock and roll. It's got a 302 V8, automatic transmission on the floor. Hard top, obviously, bucket seats, power steer, as well as a brand new power disc brake kit. Also got a brand new set of BF Goodrich all-terrain white letter tires. These are 33s, bullet wheels. The best look on an early Bronco. Gotta love them bullet wheels. Weather stripping looks good. Gaps look nice, so does the reflection in the paint here. Real smooth. Smooth. Like it. So still got them fuzzies on here. Real classic tire. Man, they've been making that tire forever. Replacement steel bumper in the back. Does have a 2-inch receiver hitch. Got dual exhaust coming out the sides on it. Dual tanks. Definitely some suspension replacement components on there. New springs, new shocks at some point. Really nice condition on those wheels and tires. Hopping on inside here, do have seat goes forward and back. Back tilts forward and back as well. Get the right adjustment on there. Looks like a new dash pad. You can tell from the paint they had this whole Bronco blown apart. Be able to get all the green paint where they did, as well as noticing that underneath the engine bay as well. All right, y'all, let's do a fire up video here. Firing it right up. Nice healthy sound coming from the Bronco. Beautiful sound under the engine bay as well. This is what I was talking about earlier, being able to spray the fenders like this. They had everything apart when they redid this car. See that still engine bay, power steering, there's your power brakes. So let's hop back in and we'll go for a drive here. Ready? All right, y'all, we're gonna take this Bronco out on a cruise. See how she does. 73. 73 Bronco. It's got a good pedal on it, power brakes. Nice transmission. 2 fingers on the wheel. Feels great going down the road. Tracking real straight. I like that. I don't like these speed bumps, man, for sure. Messing up our road. But great power, good acceleration. Drives like a Bronco, you know? Y'all, we do have nationwide shipping and financing available. Let me know how I can earn your business. Thanks so much for watching.